Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh.
चले जाना, मैं नहीं रहूँगा। हैं? क्यों? तुम क्या करोगे इससे?
Okay.
बात तो
Do
उनसे
you have
करनी
any
है।
questions from the previous
हाँ,
class?
और बात की।
Yes, so far so good.
मतलब लेडीज तो आएंगी, क्यों नहीं आएंगी?
Okay.
आएंगी ना
So
लेडीज
till
तो
what point we
नहीं
have
आएंगी
finished? We
ladies।
have just finished the basics,
क्या
right?
बोलना
Of
क्या
options.
तुमको क्या बोलिए? अगर वो
Basics
सुन
of
के करना हो
options,
तो अपने
correct.
हिसाब
But
से
still, we
करेगा।
are to go many things right, like the Greeks and other.
लैंग्वेज करना है चलिए।
Those are actually the Vijay. Those are actually the theoretical part. They are not used in trading. So if you want to
Okay.
study, you can study yourself. Those are not useful in trading.
I see. Okay. So we don't have to take all those into consideration then.
No. Those things are not needed.
I see. Okay. All right.
Okay, so we have finished the option chain, right? Last class.
Correct. Option chain we have done. Yes.
So today I'll show you some charts and tell you how to find the strike price, which strike price we should choose based on the trends and based on the charts, right?
Okay.
कितनी बार बताऊंगी? अगर बता दो दिए कितनी बार बताऊंगी?
So any specific stock you want me to choose to?
Yeah, sure. Like, can we choose Mara? Yesterday.
Mara is trading in future and options.
Options as well. Yes.
But I think the chart is like yesterday we discussed, right? Same chart.
Yeah, same chart. Yesterday we spoke about the stocks.
Yeah. Yes. So again here also one thing matters, like what type of trading you want to do, intraday or positional. Based on that you have to choose the time frame. First you have to choose the time frame, right? So if you are thinking to go for positional trades, then you have to do check the daily time frame, right? Okay.
So question. So here we have 1 week, so we should be doing it within the week.
Yes.
So in case if we take on Friday, sell on Friday, is it good, or like take on Monday, Wednesday? So which is better, right?
See, based on the charts only we will decide when to take those.
I see. Okay. I see.
So based on our inputs, right? Our inputs will be purely based on the charts.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So either you can choose 1 hour chart or you can choose 1 day time frame. 2 options are available to use in option trading.
Okay.
Let's try to use 1 hour chart, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So here we will try to use the Bollinger Bands.
Okay.
Out the Bollinger Bands. And then you can plot the pivot points as well.
Okay.
So now first of all you have to see the trend. What is the actual trend of the stock which is currently going on, right? So
Yeah. Okay.
to see the trend, first you have to see the trend, and you have to find from the daily time frame only. Daily time frame only will confirm you what is the current trend going on, right? So here you can see that we are near the lower Bollinger Band, near the demand zone, right?
Okay.
And second thing, you can see a doji is formed here, right?
Doji is one, correct. Yeah.
There was a downtrend and we have a doji form. That means there are chances of reversal from here, correct? Based on our
Okay. Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
So that means that we are looking for this stock to go towards the upside.
Okay.
First thing that we have to analyze from our charts. So this is the first thing that
Okay.
we from our chart is like we are looking to analyze it that this stock should go up in maybe like 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, or 4 days. Like maximum time frame is 1 week, right? So considering 1 week, we are thinking that
Yes.
this upside.
Stock will go up. Okay. Yeah.
So now we have to see like till what point the stock can go, right? The stock can go either this one, which I have explained you, and the second destination is this one. There are two destinations: target one
Right.
and target two,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So we should try always to choose the target one because our time is less, right? We have only 4 to 5 days of time, right?
Right. Right. Yeah.
Target two, you can choose if you have more time frame, right? Like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, like that, right?
Okay. Yes. Correct. Yeah.
Because, but there in US, I think you have only weekly expiry, right? And you have
Only weekly. Yes. Only weekly expiry. Correct.
no monthly expiries are available, right?
No. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So then what you can do is that if you want to achieve target two, then the best thing is to choose the 1 hour time frame. So from 1 day time frame, we have analyzed that the stock may go towards the upside. Now we have to
Oh.
go 1 hour time frame and see the targets, right? So we can think here also as our targets.
Middle.
Line,
Middle.
the middle line and the
Okay.
this line 17.5, right?
Target one. Target two.
So we will note down actually the target one here is coming around 16.5, right?
Correct. Yeah.
And target two is
17.25.
17.25. And let's see the target one from daily time frame as well.
Okay.
It is 18, right?
Yeah.
We will note down all the three.
Okay.
So that means our target will be approximately 18. So these three will be our targets, right?
Okay.
So now based on these targets, we have to choose the options.
Okay. So 18. How did we choose 18? Like the previous high.
The blue line of daily time frame, right?
Yeah. That is 17.25. The middle.
Yes. The daily chart. Daily chart is also there, right? For daily chart, the
Yeah.
blue line is 18.18.
Correct. Yes.
So two targets I have taken from hourly chart and one target I have taken from the daily chart.
Oh, okay. So hourly chart also. So hourly chart we have to take only the middle one. Is it?
The first target is, see, I have taken target one, which is the middle one from 16.5 and the upper Bollinger Band 17.25, right? Two targets.
That is the daytime frame.
No, these two are hourly. The first two are hourly, right?
Oh, but you're choosing day, right? Like if you see the chart, looks like it is day.
Wait, I'll show you again. So this is my daily time frame, right?
Yes.
And this is my blue line. So target is 18, right? This is 18.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Now,
Right.
now I will go back to hourly chart.
Okay. Okay.
Now the middle one,
That is 17. 16.7%.
16.75. Target two is, sorry, target one is 16.75.
Okay.
And target two is this one here, right?
Oh, I see. Okay, so set. Okay, that's right.
17.5, right? So
Yeah.
whenever the stock tries to move towards the upside, the first target will come this one, then this one, and then the third, which is 18, right?
Will be the daytime frame, the middle. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
T1, T2, and T3, we have our three targets, right? So we have
Right.
only three strike prices.
Okay.
Okay. So now it depends on your risk appetite, like which strike price is, how much is the premium of these strike prices, and
Okay.
and what is the lot size? Can you tell me? Can you check and tell me like what is the premium and lot size of this stock?
Yeah. One second. Just a minute. So taking the current week, right? Because to expiry will be tomorrow. Or you want to wait to the next week?
Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing. The expiry is tomorrow, right? So if I want to buy for the next week expiry, can I buy today?
Yes, there we can buy. Yes.
Then we will try to buy the next because we have only 1 day remaining, right?
One day, yes. So next week expiry is next Friday, which is 8th of August. So like we have in which price should I select? In date, out date, like in the market at the market.
We have three strike prices here, right? We have chosen three targets: 16.75, 17.5, and 18, right? So based on this, we have to select the strike prices.
Closest to that, you mean?
Uh,
So 18, 16 points is which we should take, like 17 period, like I have 17.5, 17, 18, 16.5.
then first is 16.5, which is the nearest one, right? How much is the
Yes,
premium
yes.
for that?
Is it for a call pay, right?
Yes.
Call ask will be 0.58. Ask.
Okay. And 17?
17 is 0.39.
2.39.
17.5 it is 0.27.
Okay. I think that's sufficient. So 16.5 must be the at the money, right?
16.5 is at the money, correct.
At the money, right? And these two are the OTM, right?
Out of the money, correct.
Out of the OTM. So the
And this is for both for ask. This is for ask means like it is this is for selling, right?
no, that is fine. That may not be much difference, right? Bid and ask may not be
3
having.
cents, 2 cents, 2 3 cents, 1 or 2 3 cents difference.
Okay, that is fine, right? So we are just I'll just explain you with this only. So
Oh, right.
so what is the current price of this stock? The current future price?
Current strike price. The current price buy is 16.27.
Current future price, right? You are telling me the current future price, right? 16.27.
Buy price, current buy price.
No. See, there are two things. I told you yesterday that we will have two things. One is equity, which is cash, and
Yes,
other one is future.
correct.
So cash is called as spot, and future is called
Spot,
as
okay.
future. So the
Oh,
one
this is spot. This is spot, equity spot.
I want to know future price.
Okay, how do you know future?
You can write like Mara and future.
Okay.
FUT will be shown there in front
I
of
should go
Mara.
and query for.
Okay, it is not visible there, like in front of you. You cannot see like
Yeah.
future and all.
It is not visible. Yeah, it is not visible here. It is only showing Mara holding and then.
Okay, no problem. Then I will explain you with this. I'll explain you. So see, there may not be much difference in future price and the spot price. Like there may be like 0.1 or 0.15 like that. They will not be.
Okay.
Right? So you should always consider the future price. Whenever you are trading in future and options, you should always consider future price to calculate like which option you have to buy. Right? And what is the lot size?
It is 100.
So let's say you want to buy a strike price of 16.5. Then in that case, you have to pay a premium of 100 into 0.58.
Right.
Which is coming around 58. $8.
Right. Okay. $58 for one lot.
For one lot. If you are trading in one lot, you have to pay 58. So that is your premium that you have to pay, right?
Correct.
Okay. So the current price is 16.27, and the one which we are buying is 16.5, right? Once we do a minus, how much it will come?
16 point, now it is 38. Now it is 16, let us take 16.27, the 22. Yeah.
0.23, right? So that means in 0.58, 0.23
Okay.
is the time value, 0.223 is the time value, and how much is remaining?
Out of that 58, you know.
Uh,
Okay, 35.
0.35, right? So 0.35 is the intrinsic value, and
Okay.
0.23 is the time value.
Time decay, not time value.
Time decay or time value, right? So once you reach the expiry, this value will become 0. If this stock will not reach 16.5,
Okay.
so that means if the stock remains at 16.27,
Okay.
Then how much value you will get? I'll show you in Excel. Excel calculation.
Yeah, that will be better.
Uh,
Yeah, that will be better. I can also note down.
Yes. Because here I may also forget and you may not able to.
Exactly, and I want to. Yeah. I just like noting it down. If it's an Excel, I can just copy it.
Yeah. So the premium is how much? 6.58, right?
Yeah, I'm not seeing the Excel actually.
1 second now. I'll just share. Now can you see?
It is actually starting. Yes, now I can see. Yeah.
The premium is 0.58. Strike price we have chosen 16.5, right?
Yes, 16.27 strike price.
No, strike price 16.5. That is the current value, right? Current price is 16.27.
27. Current price is 16. Yes.
And we have chosen 16.5, right?
5 is the strike price, correct?
Right. So, what was the formula I told you for the? I'll help you with the formula. You can note down the formula first.
Okay. Premium.
गर्मी के हिसाब से बना लो, कुछ क्या मंगाओगे? उपमा से पेट नहीं भरता.
So intrinsic value is the gap between strike price and the
गाढ़ा हो जाता है, हलवा बन जाता है. नहीं अच्छा लगता है. कोई बात पता
what is our option strike price?
सूखा हुआ गाड़ी की बात में सूख
Strike
जाता है.
price is
बाहर जब वो थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट होता है, बाहर जब वो सूख जाता है.
Minus and the underlying is its current price.
नहीं समझता है. इसलिए तो पोहा है, पोहा.
So which is the premium?
So this is
the
yeah. So this is the
Sorry.
this is the changes I have done. Strike price minus current price.
Okay.
This current price means the one which we
और
have
ऐसा
taken
बैठे
from the
जो डोसा बना लो
16.27.
प्लेन वाले.
So
Okay.
this minus this,
टाइम लगता
I
है,
have to get the
टाइम
intrinsic value which is 0.23. Now I want to calculate the time
सब
value.
टाइम
That I have to
लगता है. पोहा बना लो, पोहा से बन जाएगा.
0.58
अपना
minus
टोस्टर पे खा लेना.
0.23.
तो सामान मंगाना है बता दो, मैं ऑर्डर कर देता हूँ. मैं मंगाऊंगा आवाकाडो आज. वो दूध दही चाहिए तो बता दो जल्दी से, मैं ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. So now it's
क्या?
So intrinsic value is equal to strike price
Yeah.
minus the current
Current price. Yes.
अब और क्या बनाओगे प्याज बचाने?
In
बाहर
this
से
case,
मंगा लो.
16.50 minus 16.27.
Yes.
बाहर से मंगा लो काम.
Okay, which is equal to 0.7. Okay.
And the time value is 0.35, which is
वो अकेला
0.58
अकेला
minus
बनाना, वो
0.23.
हलवा हो जाता है बिल्कुल.
Okay.
So this
One
is
second. Time value.
the total premium that we are going to pay here.
Time value is equal to
Premium minus.
premium minus intrinsic value.
Yes. Second one.
हैं?
3.5.
Yeah, correct.
वही तो तुम लोग वही तो करती है ना, सब बचा लेती है, वो खाता है नहीं, फिर वो वेस्ट हो जाती है. मत बच जाएगा तो मैं इतनी बार समझाया नहीं, समझ में नहीं आती है.
अरे फिर एकदम से भूखा होता मांगता है
अब तो पानी पूरी नहीं खाएगा तो क्या कर लोगे तुम? जरूरत थी खाना बचा बचा करके वो वेस्ट होता है.
फिर वो एकदम से मांगेगा, आप बनाएंगे फिर?
क्या बनाएंगे? कुछ और बना देगा.
Alright, yeah.
अगर मैं फ्री होती हूँ फिर?
जो करना
Yeah,
करो,
it's
कैसे मत बोला.
Okay. So now, since you have chosen the strike price of 16.5, right? So your option
खा लेना होता
for
है
a stock should have an expiry of at least 16.5 plus
इसमें खाते
the
खाते
premium
रुकते
you
थे
have paid,
मार्केट
right?
तो यही होगा कि नहीं
Okay.
खाएगा क्या करेंगे
At least if the stock reaches to 17.08, then
वेलकम से
you
मांगी
will be
आपका
no profit and no loss because
ठीक
you
है
have
तो
paid
बीच
a
में खाते
premium
खाते
of
तो मैं तो
0.58.
करूँगा किसी को
Correct.
So
Right.
what I have done to calculate this, I have added the strike price which you have purchased plus the premium.
Okay.
So this I got 17.08. So your expiry has to be beyond 17.08 so that you can make some profits.
So the cost price will be
एक
the
एक
current
दो
price
दस
plus the strike. No. The strike price plus the premium.
Current
कच्चा आम
price will
मंगाओ
not
ना
come
कच्चा आम
now. Now
वेट एंड सी
the
कच्चा आम
strike
मंगाओ
price,
क्या
whatever you have purchased, right? So you have purchased a contract of
बोला कि सही
16.5,
बनाना है
right?
मेरे को क्या पता क्या बनाना
Yes. Yeah.
धनिया
And you have paid a premium of 0.5, correct?
Yes.
ये
Yeah.
दुनिया
This is
ऐसी है
16.5
हाँ तो
plus
कच्चा आम धनिया पड़
0.5.
जाएगा
Point.
वेट एंड सी
Point. Okay.
हाँ वो भी
The
बात
stock should expire beyond 17.08 so that you can make at least some money.
Correct. Including our commission like premium, we can get that money. Okay.
Yes. If the stock expires at 17.08, then you will get whatever you have
मैं
paid
बताऊंगा तुम्हें मैं
minus
बताऊंगा तुम्हें यार
the
कभी बनाना
charges.
बनाओ
Whatever the
नहीं
the
पहले
charges
नाश्ता
here.
बनाना है पहले नहा लो
Correct.
वो
Yeah.
जो करना है तुम्हें वो करो मैं तुम्हें नाश्ता बता
Right.
दिया पोहा
Yes.
तुम्हें
Yeah.
जो बनाना है
And if
क्या
the
बनाना
stock expires below 16.5,
It's a lot loss.
below 17 point, let's
वो
say
अच्छा
the
नहीं
stock
बनाता
expires
हलवा
at
बनाता है
17, right?
अच्छा क्या
Yes.
होता है यार
Then how much you will get?
Zero real loss.
जो मना है बना लो यार मेरे से मत पूछो
16.5
आगे
like 17 minus 16.5.
Yes.
You will get 0.5.
बना लो यार जो बनाना है पूछ के नहीं
But again,
बात
the premium
क्या
is
बनाना
lost.
है
Right?
बनाना है
Huh, you have paid
Okay.
0.5 it and you got only 0.5. So you are in a loss of 0.08
8 cents. Correct.
Yeah. Okay, this is clear.
Yeah, this is clear. Yeah.
So beyond this,
So what is this? Why we should consider IV and time value? Just to know, or like is it?
just to know and calculate like how much we can make the money and
सैंडविच
how much the option price should expire so that we can make some money.
खाया था उसका परसों खाया था वाला मैनेज वाला
मैंने तो वेजिटेबल वाला
मैनेज वाला बना दो फिर कच्चा वाला बना दो गैस बचेगी पैसे बचेंगे
Yeah. Good, right?
So we should know about intention value and time value, right? Because calculate like on expiry, what will be the expiry based on that we can calculate how much
अरे
profit we
बेकार
can
है
get
तो
or how
वो
much
सूखा
loss we
सूखा
can
होता है नहीं खाना ये अच्छा
get. Just
लगता
for
है
the calculation purpose.
वो सुबह इसलिए होता है क्योंकि इसमें तेल और घी कम होता है
Because premium is a
तो
combination
कच्चे
of
खा लूंगा
intention
उससे
value and time value.
बाहर होते हैं घी
Right.
होती है
टेस्ट नहीं आता फायदा नहीं खाने
So
का
this concept is clear.
बना लो
Yes,
मेरे
yeah,
लिए
this is clear, yeah.
मेरे को नहीं खाना ना तुम खा लो
So here we are choosing 16.5, right? Strike price. So that is why we are choosing 16.5. So the expiry has to be beyond 17.08.
ठीक है यार नहीं खाना मेरे को तुम
Zero. Yes, then only we get the profit. Yeah. Okay.
And for targets we have chosen, second I'll share the trading view. And we have selected the targets as 16.8 and here 17.41. So we have to keep this target. That's why we are
₹70 का
taking
देता
the
बाजार में
average.
इतना महंगा
So let us.
ना 200 रुपए किलो मिलता है 200 रुपए में
So T1, T2, T1 will be 16.75,
ये एक ही दे रहा है
and T2 in this case will be around 17.40.
So
उसका पूरी भी
we will
हो
calculate for both sides. I'll just show you the Excel sheet and we will calculate for both. Like
ये
if
मंगा
there's
देता हूँ फिर बटन में मंगा देता हूँ और क्या आगे से कर दिया मैंने
Okay. And how much is daily?
और कुछ ही है
that is
17.18.
18.
17.2. Well, 18.
18 is.
बड़े बड़े बटन
तो मिलने का बटन तो महंगा है
Even is 16.5, right?
बटन को धनिया ऐड कर दिया
T2 is 17 point.
धनिया तो भिंडी कर दिया भिंडी
And T3 is 18. You can see the Excel sheet, correct?
फ्रेश रॉ मैंगो
Yes, yeah, I can see.
ऑप्शन
Okay.
टमाटर
So
तो
we have
रखा है कि
purchased
प्याज
16.5.
प्याज
If
मंगा दिया
it
प्याज
expires at 16.5,
Okay.
ठीक है इतना
profit and loss. So we will get 0 rupees back.
बटन मिल्क नहीं है
Our
इसमें
own premium will be
कैशबैक
called
कैशबैक होता है
16.5. The same, whatever strike price we have
बटन मिल्क
chosen,
नहीं है
the same strike it expires, we will get
Right.
छोटा
0
वाला है
refund.
बड़ा
So our loss will be 0.5.
पड़ेगा बटन मिल्क
0.08.
से कुछ और चाहिए
0.58 will be our loss.
Point. Yeah.
Lot size is 100.
है कुछ और चाहिए
We
क्या
will be losing 100.
$48.
हाँ
$48.
क्या
याद नहीं आ रहा
याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे लगा
Second
कि
is
कुछ के लिए याद नहीं रहा
17.4 minus 13.080.
धनिया कर दिया
हाँ कर दिया है वही ना है कर दिया
आलू
Minus
ये चटनी मंगाओ क्या
टमाटर
चटनी
टमाटर
30.
बटर का लाया था अच्छी नहीं
profit
आई
will be 0.32.
बाहर भी कच्ची मिली
No, that will be a loss, right? Like 32 will be a loss because of 17.4.
कोई दाल वाल तो नहीं चाहिए दाल तेल
Profit, right?
घी कुछ तो नहीं चाहिए ना
If it expires at
साबुन
17.08,
हैंड वॉश
then you will be net to net.
Oh, right.
Now the option is expiring
है
more than that, right? So that will
बाथरूम
be a
का
profit.
वाला
Oh, correct. Got it.
चाहिए
Yes. Yeah.
So,
सब
So
खाने
you
की
have to
चीजों
make
में
that
डाल के ले आते हैं
32.
और जो भी है मंगाना तो पड़ेगा ही ना सारी चीज़ में डाल के आते हैं तो बंद हो
Case of
जाएगा
80. 8.8.
तो बंद होता है
0.92, right?
0.92, sir. 9.
दुकान में रेस्टोरेंट में होता है बाहर ऐसा मिलता है
Okay.
अलग से मंगवाओ
अलग से
Whatever the
कैसे
price
वो नहीं आता 70 रुपये
it
ऑफर नहीं
expires
मिलेगा
below 16.5, you will get 0 refund. Below
Right.
अलग से मिलते हैं लेकिन ऑफर नहीं मिलेगा 50% कैशबैक नहीं हुआ
But premium 0.58 will be
खेती का पीनट चटनी कौन सी होती है पीनट चटनी अलग होती है
okay.
The amount will be lost, like minus
Right.
will be the loss of.
Correct.
लाल वाली होती है
If it is expires at 16.5
मेरे
or
डोसा बना
less
रहे
than
हैं, बाकी का
16.5, then you will be
Okay.
lost of 58.
So which means that on before price is for sale or
ठीक
buy.
है वो मंगा रहा हूँ चटनी
This is why we are buying because we have considered the outcome and right and we have
मैं क्या
considered
बोल
the
रहा हूँ
call price call option.
Okay.
So that we have to decide based on the chart. We have seen the
डैडी
outcome.
वो सब दब जाएगा ये
We decided that we are going to buy a call with a
साइड
strike
में
price
बैठ
of
मिलता
16.5.
देखो फिर से चलने लगा
अरे मैं तो थोड़ी देर बैठता हूँ
So
तुम
it's
पूरे दिन
actually
बैठते
it's called
हो
long option buy.
Long naked option. We have many strategies to discuss like long strategy, short strategy. This is single lot, only the naked call option naked. This is called naked
चटनी कौन सी मंगाऊँ खेती का की कोई नहीं कमी आई है आईडी की मंगाऊँ
buy.
चटनी बाहर से मंगवा लो हमको घर में बन जाएगी
बनाओगी
So you would have paid the amount whenever you have purchased it. You have paid 6.58 into 100. You would have paid $58.
बड़ी वाली
Correct.
The time you have purchased.
Okay.
चार
Right.
मंगा रहा टमाटर मंगा रहा
So if this didn't before next
धनिया
Friday,
खेती मंगाओ दो मंगा रहा
if we should exercise, it automatically will be exercised at the end of the day.
हूँ
I am not sure. I'm
वो
not sure
नहीं
about
चाहिए ना दाल
there,
वाल
but
कुछ
here we have to do it manually in stocks. But in
Oh, I see.
रात में आता
but in
है
index
प्याज
we
भी
do
होता
done
है
automatically in indexes, but in stocks we have to do it manually.
So what happens if we forget on Friday? Like forget means like
Yeah.
by unknowingly we miss
Now
it.
we have to pay. We have to buy the stocks.
Oh, I see.
So in that case, if you had one lot, you should buy 100 quantities of this stock.
Okay. So that means that they will automatically probably buy and keep it for us.
चीज बाहर आता है
The brokerage.
Okay, and there may be some penalty. I don't know about there. Like there may be some.
हमने तो खा लिया ना मैंने कुछ नहीं होता तो खा लिया
Then you can check with your broker.
Okay. So if the stock moves on the other side, we cannot come out of it, right? So once we buy it, that's it. We have to
Can
hold it.
come out of it. Yeah, that's what I'll just explain you from the chart, like how to use the stop loss also. This we have spoken about the targets. Right?
Oh, yes, correct.
So I'll tell you when to
ये
exit
क्या 9 रुपए का था
Okay.
because we don't want to call the losses, right?
Yes, yeah. Can you show me the chart once again, just like
Yes.
the gain and loss? That's Excel sheet.
Yeah, it's cheap. Now is it visible?
It's still loading.
Okay.
Yeah, it is okay.
आलू है आलू
So almost 0.
फूल तो नहीं चाहिए फूल कल के लिए फूल तो नहीं चाहिए है
चाहिए
लाल वाले फूल चाहिए और
ठंडा नहीं हो रहा ना इसी से
बंद टाइप की ऐसे हो
नहीं रात में भी नहीं हो रहा था मुझे रात में इसी में भी गर्मी हो रही
ऐसा से गैस खत्म हो गई तो भी गैस खत्म होने वाली है
19 से टेम्परेचर उठा ठंडा नहीं है
See four options we have to go through one actually because you have to check the hourly chart as well as the daily chart
फिर अगर इसका ऐसे चल रहा है सही
Okay.
to get more accuracy.
Okay.
Because sometimes the hourly chart will tell you that you can buy, but the daily chart will not tell you that you should buy it. Right?
Right. Yeah.
कुछ तरीका नहीं है चेक करने का
हम लोग नहीं कर सकते फूल लगाना पड़ेगा ध्यान नहीं कर तो थोड़ी देर पता नहीं होगा
नहीं
Okay, this is clear, right? Now I'll
This is clear. Yeah.
we'll talk about stop loss.
तो लागे मुझे लग रहा था शाम को
Okay.
रात को सोएगा ठंडा नहीं लगेगा
नहीं हो रहा था तो पसीना आ रहा था
Stop loss and targets. Targets we have decided based on this Bollinger Band, right?
Yes. So the only Bollinger Band is required in this case, right? We don't need to see any other indicators.
We can see this is the particular use case in which we are using only the Bollinger Band, but there may be a different use case in which we need to use this pivot.
Other. Okay.
So that I will explain you. If we see any other use case, I'll explain that also.
Okay.
So see, in this use case, our stop loss will be here. Once the stock price goes to 16.07
Right.
and it closes,
Correct.
it has to close on per hour basis.
Correct. Yes. Okay.
Then we will exit our trade.
Right. Okay.
And second option that you can use is like you can use the risk and reward ratio also. Since we are buying ATM, right? At the money we have purchased, we can use risk and reward ratio like let's say 16.5, right? And
Okay.
the target is 17.5, correct? Like 1 rupee.
Right.
You are taking a reward of 1 rupee here, right?
Yes.
Then you can consider a stop loss of like 0.5 or 0.5
Okay.
or 1 like that. You can consider based on your risk appetite. So that is one way to do it.
Okay. Stop loss will be like half of the target reward.
Because like 1:2 risk reward ratio, right? You can consider.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, clear stop loss and targets.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
So now we can see a second use case. Like in this scenario, right?
Yeah.
Here at the top, you can see, right? When the candle is at the top, right?
It's actually I'm not seeing anything.
Chart is not visible.
It's not visible actually.
Now,
It is still loading.
okay.
Yeah. Now it's
So we will take one more use case wherein our candle is at the top of the Bollinger Band, right? Here.
okay. Okay. This for downtrend.
This for downtrend. So,
Okay.
or can we choose any other stock? Because here we have to see the historical data. We have to see on the daily chart also. See, the date was 14th of July, right? 14th of July.
Yes. Right.
On the chart, and we can see the daily chart also. 14th of July. 14th of July.
So what is in the background that the R1, R2? What is it actually?
Not there.
In the chart, like there's S1, S2, R1, R2.
That is pivot. Now I explained you about pivot, right? Pivot.
Yes.
Points. Support and
Oh,
resistance.
pivot points. Okay.
Support and resistance.
Okay.
So
So
14.
that we can do it in the chart itself. We can have it right, like permanently in the chart.
You can have it permanently. Yes.
Okay. How do we add it? Indicate by indicator.
See, once you go to indicator, here you will get pivot points. Standard first one, pivot point standard.
Pivot standard. Oh, I see. Okay.
Add it. And see, if you are trading here, then no need to bother about the previous pivot points. These areas are
Okay.
not useful. Only the current one you have
Okay.
lines.
Okay. Okay. I see. Okay.
And even you can, if you want to change the settings, you can change from your settings, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Visibility rating, inputs. These are the inputs. So
Okay.
here it is showing you 5 support and 5 resistance, right? So 5 support
Okay.
and 5 resistance may not be needed, so we can use 2 support and 2 resistance.
Okay. Okay. Closest one we can use.
And now the chart is also clear. Earlier it was like caution on. Now the chart.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So 14 July you can see that the chart was here, right?
Okay.
So it was an uptrend. Daily chart
Right.
was showing uptrend, and this is also showing uptrend. But the thing is that both of the candles were at the top of the Bollinger Band, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So we have to try to take a short position there.
Okay.
So how do we take the short position? We can consider our blue line as the first target and the lower Bollinger Band as our third target, right?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So here the price was around 20.5.
Okay. Yeah.
And our target is around
19.
19.
Yeah.
So now we have to see the strike price of 19 PE. Put.
Okay.
Because
So here you just directly below that green candle or red candle, that is where we need to take, right?
We have to wait for this candle close, and we have to buy and short at the high. If price crosses the high, we have to buy, and if price crosses below the green candle, then we will take short. So here we have to take a short position.
No, I'm just checking like the 20.5 19. So before that Bollinger Band, how it is created. So that is the below the red candle. That is where we need to take the T1 and T2.
Yes, we have to take the position here, but our targets will always be this one.
Okay. Now what I'm saying is that you're keeping it bit right, but it has to be the target has to be just below that red candle, right?
Yeah. Here.
Now it's still left. Little bit if you move the cursor bit left hand side. Yeah, that is where you need to take the T2, right? Because that is where now the candle is formed.
Yes. The blue line. Yeah, whatever the price at that time, blue line, you have to take that price.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, got it. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Because right now the chart is already formed, so
Yes. Right.
I'm able to see 19 only, so that is why I'm considering 19. But you have to take the price at the blue candle, blue line only.
Correct. Got it. Okay. Same as the below T2 also. Okay.
So just for you to explain, I am considering.
Right. Okay.
So at the time 20.5 is our price, then we have to see the strike price of 19 PE, right?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
मैम एलजी कस्टमर केयर से बोल रहे
नहीं सर्विस सेंटर है और ये हमारा
हैं? सर्विस सेंटर मैम आप एलजी एसी वगैरह की करते हैं क्या रिपेयर वगैरह?
एसी वारंटी पर है अभी आपका।
नहीं वारंटी में नहीं है।
क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है इसमें?
मैम कूलिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कूलिंग का।
ओके, आप बैंगलोर से बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ मैम।
ठीक है, आपकी कंप्लेंट मैं रजिस्टर कर ले रही हूँ। विजिटिंग के चार्ज होंगे।
ओके मैम, कब आएगा इंजीनियर मैम?
आज से 1 घंटे में कॉल आ जाएगी उसके बाद।
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, ओके।
एसी है ना?
एसी, स्प्लिट एसी है मैम।
ठीक है, कॉल आएगी, लोकेशन बताइएगा।
ठीक है। हेलो। यस। गलत लग रहा है नंबर तो। ये नंबर तो गलत लग रहा है। नंबर में तो डाउट लग रहा है इसको, डाउट लग जाता है, नंबर दूसरा वगैरह मिल जाता है। नया ऑर्डर ले लेना, उसी वेबसाइट पे हो नहीं रहा था मैंने उस पे करता हूँ। बॉश पे तो दिखा रहा है एलजी पे है, बॉश पे तो दिखा रहा है एलजी पे।
we have to see the 19p, but I think that date is old, so we cannot check the premium right now. So what I will do is that we will try to find one chart in which the current downtrend rate.
Okay.
So let's take this scenario only. The current, let's think that this stock may go down. Let's see, this is the downtrend may start from here, correct?
अभी नहीं आ रहा है.
Hi. Some incoming call. Sorry.
Your video is not yet.
Oh.
So let's consider this scenario because that date is old. We cannot check the premium and all because that is already expired. That option, right? So we will consider this only to see the put option.
Yes, to the future. Okay.
So let's see that this is a downtrend and our thing is 16, right? The current price is 16.45, correct?
Okay, yeah, 16.45.
If it goes towards the downside, then our first target will be the pivot point, which is 15.9, and the next target will be 14.5.
Okay.
Target 1 is 16. Target 2 is 14.5. And third target we have to check from the daily chart, right? How we will check from the daily chart? We will check the pivot, the one which is near to the pivot. 15 point.
Okay.
15.03. 15.3. Here it is written 15.3, right?
Oh. Okay.
So that means the first target we are taking from hourly chart, target 2 we are taking from daily chart, and target 3 we are taking from the hourly chart, which is 14.5.
Oh. What's the reverse actually that?
So we have to see based on the price now. 16, 15.3 and 14.5. It is reverse because we are going in a downtrend.
So first hourly will be like T1, T1 and T2 and T3 will be day.
No, not like that. We have to see the prices. Like we have to go in a descending order, right? We have to go in a descending order, right? Because my current price is 16.5. If my stock goes down, the first price will be 16, the second price will be 15.3, and the third target is 14.5, right? Like 1 by 1.
Okay.
So we have to put it in a descending order properly. It is not like that. First we have to choose from the daily offers, we have to choose from hourly. We have to collect all the three prices from hourly and daily, and then we have to make it in an order.
Right. Okay.
You understood, right?
Yeah, just noting it down actually.
Because once the stock goes down, the first price will come 16, the second the price will come 15.3, and third the price will come 14.5, right?
Yes, yeah.
So we have to choose like price. So my current price is 16.5. So my first target is 16. So I have to choose the 16p.
Okay.
16p. Based on the premium, we can choose. So 16p, can you tell me what is the premium?
16. We have 16, 16.5 for 16. Premium will be point. Same thing like ask 0.91.
0.9.
This is only for call. You are not talking about like we're just talking about calls.
No, this is put because it is going down, right? We have to buy put.
No, put this ask is 0.45. 0.474. Yeah.
0.45.
Yeah.
So we will take this strike price at 0.45, right?
Yeah.
So now the price should be how much? 15 minus 0.45, so that you will get at least your value, whatever you have paid. So the expiry should be at 15.55,
4.5.
55, right? The expiry should be at 15.55. Then only you will get the money back, whatever you have paid. But if you want some profits, then the expiry has to be below 15.5. Either 15.5 or 15 or 14.5 lakh.
Right. Yeah.
Fine, this is clear?
One more time explain. Can you explain it?
Yes. Sure. Okay, so the current price is 16.5, right?
Okay. Yes.
And our target is 16. Our target is
16.
based
So
on the
16. Based on the chart, be 16. Correct. Okay.
this private rate. So
So
this
this is
is our target.
previous low.
This was private rate. We can choose the previous support. This is a
Previous low. Okay. But we don't see it. It's probably it's further the left side.
This line is there, orange line.
Okay. We'll consider that line. Okay.
Line you can consider. So it is 15.92. So approximately we are taking 16.
16.
The
Okay.
target, right? So we will choose
Okay.
this put because we are going towards the downside. It's a downtrend, so we have to buy put in this case.
Put. Okay.
So 16 is our target price, and since it is downtrend, then put. Then 16 put we have checked 0.45 is the premium, right?
But yes. Yeah.
So now, in the case of call, we were adding to get the profit and loss thing, right? Here we have to subtract to see at which
Okay.
segment it will expire so that we can get some profits, right? So here we have to subtract because they are going down.
Okay. So 16 minus 0.45.
Minus 0.45.
45. Yeah. Okay.
So it will come around 15.55, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So if the stock weekly expiry is below this one, then only we will be in profit. Maybe around 15 or 14.5 or 14, then only we will get some profits.
Correct. Yeah.
Correct.
Right. Yeah.
And if the expiry is like, you can say 16 or 15.75, then our full premium will be lost.
Lost. Yeah. Okay. It should be below 15.55 for a profit.
Yes.
Right.
And you have paid 0.45 into 100, like $45, right?
Right. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
If the expiry is 15, you have purchased the 16, right? If the expiry is 15, then how much profit you will get?
0.55.
0.5.
0.45. Yes. Sorry. Okay. 0.55. Yeah.
So 0.55 into 100. 55.
55. Yeah.
$55.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to keep it in mind that when we are going downtrend, we have to subtract it, and when we are going towards the upside, we have to add it.
Add that commission premium. Okay.
To
Okay.
get the strike price, like which strike price is, which is basically the break even. We call it as a break even point.
Okay. Break even. Okay.
To get the break even point, we have to do like that. In call, we have to add, and in put, we have to subtract.
Subtract. Okay. To get the
Yeah.
subtract to get the what is it called? I mean, add premium and
It's called break even point.
break even point. Okay.
Break even point. From where if the stock started going down, we will be in profit, and from where the stocks will go up in call side, we will be in profit. So that is called break even.
Okay.
Okay, this is clear.
Yeah.
The buying of the option, the naked call buying and naked put buying.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And this is very easy actually. Now we will talk about the sell use case.
Okay.
Means where we have to sell the option.
So okay.
In this case, we have buy the option, right? Both the options we have purchased.
Yeah, uptrend and buy and so downtrend buy. Now we are going to sell uptrend and downtrend. Okay.
So if the stock is in uptrend, we have purchased call, right? We have done
Yeah.
C buy. So in case of uptrend, we have to sell P, right?
Okay.
So now we have to choose the price where the stock will not go. That strike price we have to choose because we have to earn the money. We have to take the money back from the market. So we have to choose such a strike price where we think that the stock will not go at all.
Okay. Okay. Sideways, I mean.
So we have to choose the far one, right? So let's say here we think that it is going uptrend, right? So
Okay.
we have once I'll show you the Excel, right? Then we can choose easily. So we have chosen in Excel 3 targets, right? We have chosen three targets in the Excel, correct? T1, T2,
Yeah.
and T3.
Right. Yeah.
So we have chosen this in case of buy because we want them to reach at this price, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Want the stock to reach at that price. Now we have to sell the put such like that the stock should not reach at that price, right?
Price. Right. Yeah. It
So
should be
we have
reverse.
we have to choose the down strike price.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll show you in chart which one we can choose. So maybe we can choose this one which is a far like 14.5 or maybe less than that we can choose.
Okay.
The one which is
So
very
it will
far
be-
we have to choose. The one which is very far we have to choose.
Right. Okay.
Ulta, right? So let's choose
Yeah.
14.5.
So we just like we don't have to go today and then choose. We just take it.
So we can do that from there also. We can do that because our main aim is like the stock should not reach that price, right?
Correct.
See,
Yes. Yeah.
here it is 15.3 and here it is 13.8, right? So it is somewhere here. And if you want,
Right.
you can choose even this one also 14.
14. Okay.
Okay, let's choose 14.
Okay.
So we have to
That
short.
will be target one. Target one.
You have to short 14p. So now you have to see the premium of 14p. How much is the premium?
That is 0.07.
0.07, right? And our lot size is 100, correct?
Yeah.
So if you are shorting this 14p, right? So you will get around 7 cents, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
So you have to wait until the expiry year, and once the expiry will not reach near the 14, it should not reach below 14 means
Right.
14 minus 0.07. Right?
Yeah.
How much?
1393.
93, 13.93.
Yeah. Yeah.
So until till this price, you are good.
Correct.
So once the stock starts going below this, then you will be
There is a profit.
then you will be starting losses because you are selling it.
Yes. Yeah.
Your
Yes. Correct.
Your actual loss will start below this price.
Correct. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So this is how you can calculate the premium for shorting. Right?
Okay.
So in this case, there are two ways also to put the stop loss. So this is how you can find the targets and how you have to use the stop loss. See, these are very risky because the sellers, when the stock started going, when the premium started going towards the upside, there is no
Okay.
limit, right? The stock can go
Right.
even 2, 3, 5, the premium can
Yes.
go, right?
Yes.
So you
Yeah.
have to be very careful. What you have to do in this, once the stock price becomes 0.14, in that scenario, you can exit, which is 1:2.
Okay.
Means you have to put the
1.4.
loss.
Okay.
Or what you can do is that if you want less risk, what you can do 0.07 plus 0.035.
Yes,
Half of that, right?
correct. Yes, yeah.
So it will be somewhere around 0.01. How much?
For how much value? 14.
0.07 plus
Divided by
0.035.
okay.
0.0035. So
Yeah,
0.08 you can say that. Around 0.08.
correct. 0.85. Yeah, okay.
So if you are a less risk trader, either you can choose this one or you can choose the 1:2, which is 0.1.
Almost same. So target should be okay. Got it. Okay.
But in selling, you have to be very careful
Okay.
because this premium will jump like anything. Once the stock
It will
goes
be
down,
okay. Or it will keep changing.
it will be quickly changing. So you have to
Okay.
you have to be very active in that sense.
I see. Okay. So which is better? Like to start with, like buying is better or
Option
selling is better?
buy.
Option buying is better. Okay.
And selling requires more capital actually.
Oh, okay.
See,
But
in
the
option
chances
buying,
of winning in selling has more chances to win, right? Selling.
chances
Yeah,
of
correct.
yes, chances of winning. I've explained to you yesterday that 60% of the market will remain sideways. So
Right.
sellers will earn mostly in 60%.
Yeah, and more. Correct. Okay. Okay.
So chances of winning are more in sellers, but since you are a beginner, so you have to be very very careful because once the
Right.
price jumps at 16 p, the stock will start rising anything.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So stop loss is very mandatory in this case.
Okay.
Stop loss will be mostly based on the premiums only. So we will not put the stop losses based on charts in sellers scenario.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
So this will be purely based on the premium.
Okay.
So fine. This is
Sellers will be more in the sideways and they will do it in downtrend also. Downtrend, right? Like buyers will be only in uptrend.
uptrend you can whenever there is an uptrend, they can sell the put option, right? Because the
Yes,
premium will
yeah.
reduce. And
Right. Okay.
whenever the stock is it downtrend, you can sell the call.
Right. Right.
Like ulta, it is ulta, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So buyers and sellers. So this is clear to you.
Yeah. Yeah. This offer. Yeah.
So these things are naked options, naked call and
No.
naked put.
Single option.
Single call buying, single put buying, and all, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is clear now because if this is clear, then we can talk about more strategies, which is a combination of both buying and selling.
Both. Yeah. Okay. So we can go through one more time. Like today, we can spend in singles and naked options.
Yeah.
So almost done.
Yeah. So what you can do is that you can just try to revise this from the video, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And
Mhm.
if you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the next class. After that, we will start the mix of options.
Options. Okay.
Mix of options, right? And
Okay.
and for the premium that we are paying in the call option, it is simple maths. The premium into lot size, so that much you have to pay.
Pay. Correct. Yeah.
But in
100.
selling,
100.
but in selling, you have to log into your broker's account and see how much they are charging because it depends on broker to broker.
I see. Okay. Okay.
But the
Right.
amount you have to pay will be huge. Whenever
Okay.
you are doing the selling.
Selling. I see. Okay.
So let's say,
start.
in terms of option buying, you are paying only $58, right? So
Right.
in terms of selling, you may have to pay 2-3 times also.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So you have to be very accurate in winning when you sell.
Yes. And based on the broker also, you have when you execute the trade before that, you have to check with the broker how much actually they are charging for selling.
Oh, for the selling. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. So just take the videos and look at it. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask. After that, we can start the mix of strategies. So those are just some strategies, like 3
Okay.
questions that I will teach you, and then we are done with that.
Okay. All right. So I just like first get used to this naked start trading, naked option start, and then
But this calculation is very important.
right. Okay. Yeah, I'll just go through this calculations again.
Right, then we can close it.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks. Thank
Yeah.
you then. Talk tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
So I have a couple of questions.
Yeah. So
Couple of questions I have yesterday's, yesterday's call. So the first question I had was, Gaurav, like when we have, let's say, an example, we have the strike price and we have the premium, and now the current market price is one value, let's say 15.90. If you want to write it down, strike price closest to T1 16.50. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's strike price 16.50 and premium is let's say 0.47.
0.47. Okay.
Now the market price, let us say 15.90. Okay, 15.90. Now the intrinsic value will be 16.5 minus 15.9. Strike price minus market price, which is 0.60. And now the time value or time value will be 0.47 minus 0.6, right?
Zero.
Minus IP.
Time value will be zero. Time value cannot be in minus. In this case,
That's what I. Okay.
so time value will be zero. So in that case, that means this option is having the complete intrinsic value, which is 0.47.
So it's good or bad?
So this is good because on expiry there is no time value, right? In the option C, let's take an example of a packet of a chips, right? So if you see a packet of chips, it will have chips as well as some wind, right? Some air in that packet.
Yes.
So once you open the packet, the air will be gone. Only the chips will be remaining, right?
Right.
And the second packet is having only the chips, no air. Then
Right.
what do you think? Which one is better? The one with air or the one with only the chips?
Without the air is better.
Yes. So here also time value you can think that it's basically the air.
Oh, okay.
So which goes off
less
the time.
the time value, much is better actually.
Yes.
Okay, so I was taking example yesterday. It came to negative value, so I was wondering, so what we should do in this case?
Yeah, we don't have any negative values in feature and options. We have to consider only the positive part.
Positive. Okay, I see. Okay. And the next question I have is when we spoke about the short put option in the downtrend. Usually we take the target one in the hourly time frame, target two in the top middle of the hourly time frame, and we come.
So we have to, 1 second, short put we have to do whenever there is a uptrend, not in downtrend. We have to short the put only in uptrend.
Oh, shorter put only now. Buy, is it buy in uptrend?
Yeah, buy put whenever there is a downtrend, but we have to short the put whenever there is a uptrend.
Okay. I see. Okay, okay. So in this case, like in the same hourly time frame, we have the target one as the middle median, and target two will be the top median. And now for target three, we select the daily time frame. So in this case, the lower time frame or the middle median we should choose for the target three, middle or lower.
No, we have to see the number, like how the number is falling. Like let's say 1 5. Let's say T1 is 5, which is the
Okay.
middle Bollinger Band, and T2 is 10, which
Okay.
is the higher Bollinger Band of upper band of hourly time frame.
Okay.
Yes, and let's say the middle band of daily is 8, right? So our second target will be 8, not 10.
Okay. So that is understood. Then for target three,
10.
okay.
Yes.
It should be like more than the middle median.
Yes. We have to see the numbers also. See, we
I
see
see.
the
Okay.
price also. Based on the price,
Okay,
we have to,
okay.
because either it has to be in descending order or it has to be in ascending order.
Ascending order. Okay. So we can take either the middle or the lower median and the daily time frame.
Yeah. And since yours is weekly expiry, let's say you have only 1 week's time frame, then it's the best to always take the T1. Don't wait for the T2 or T3.
T2 or T3 because it's a very short time frame.
Short time, and we do have a time value, like time value decay also, right? It is happening.
Okay. Right. And one more question was like, like in the long option, in the call options, like, like buy and uptrend we buy. So we have to choose the strike price as close as possible, right?
Yeah. See, we have to see the probability, where the probability is like first to reach the price, right?
Yes.
And
And then for sell, we have to take the longest, this thing, more.
farthest one,
Longest.
so that the price should not reach at that place.
Correct. And how about the reverse? Let us say just like opposite scenario. Now we are in the downtrend. So
Okay.
let's say now the buy should be the longest one, right?
Yes, and which is a put.
The put. And the short put will be
No.
the closest.
No, 1 second. Can you repeat your question again?
Okay, okay, let us take two scenarios. One in the uptrend, there are two cases, one buy and one sell. Downtrend, there is one buy and one sell. So let us take the long option.
Uptrend, right?
Uptrend long option. Now the buy has to be very close to the market price. The strike price should be close
Yes.
to the market price.
Yes.
Similarly, sell should be as far as possible to the
Yes.
market price.
Yes.
Okay, this is understood. Now the second probability downtrend, the buy should be as far as possible. The strike price should be far from the current market price.
No,
The buy.
it has to be same. The buy has to be nearby only, because we are in a downtrend and we are buying put in this case, right?
Buy put, right?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it has to be nearby only. Buying is always nearby and selling is always the farthest.
In both the conditions, uptrend or
Both the
downtrend.
conditions, yes. Because we are shorting, right? We are shorting. Our price should not reach that place till the expiry.
I see. Okay. So in the downtrend, if we let us say the current market price is $100, and the strike price we are choosing like for very far, like say $20, $120 for the short put. I mean,
Not 120. You have to choose the middle, like 30 or 40 call. Put you are choosing, right? You want to short the put or you want to short the call?
no, short the put.
No, once the market is in downtrend, you should not short put. The market is in downtrend, you have to short the call.
Short the call. Okay.
Yes.
Short the call means it is
Far.
sell.
Far. Yes, you have to sell the call, which is far, like 150, 140 or 130 call, like
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like one farther from it. And when it crosses that 150, 160, then only the buyer will buy. Otherwise, they will just like.
No, they will start buying from the down only, because we don't know, right? Because they are being bought in small chunks by big institutions, right? So
Okay.
here we have to see the premium. Once our premium is double, we have to exit the situation. Double or maybe as I have given you an example yesterday, right? If the premium I shorted at 7, right? If
Yeah.
the premium reaches at 10 or max to max 14, we have to exit our position.
So the premium it will keep on changing every
Yes.
minute or every hour.
Yes, based on the positions, right? With by the different traders, it may keep
Okay.
on changing. But the premium, like the strike price, whose premium is 7, cannot change immediately to 10 or 15, right? It will take time.
It will gradually go. So our thing is daily we have to watch the premium, and it goes beyond like 1.5 times or 1.5 times of the existing, I mean, the previous premium. Then we have to exit.
Yeah. Because in shorting we have to do like that, because sometimes the shorting may not go as per the market conditions. Sometimes they will do some manipulation and they may change it. And
I see.
shorting a call or a put is a very big risky, because it can, if the premium is 7, even it can go to 50 or 100 also.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Because there is no limit, right?
Yes.
That's the
Okay.
reason.
I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Understood.
Okay, so here you have to be very cautious whenever you are taking a short position, whether it is a call or it is a put.
Okay.
Okay, understood. Any other doubt you have?
Yeah. That's good.
Okay, fine. So now today we will talk about some strategies that we can use as a mix-up of both call and put, right?
Okay. So it's like hedging, right? Like.
Mix of like call, put, and mix of.
Okay.
So we have certain strategies. We call it as a long straddle and short straddle. Have you heard about these things?
I heard about it. Yes, long straddle, short straddle, long corridor, iron conduit corridor.
So the main strategy, like 4 main strategies we will focus on: long straddle, short straddle, long strangle and short strangle, and bull spread and bear spread. These 6 are the main strategies.
Okay.
Second, let me see if I have some. Long straddle, right?
First will be long straddle. Okay.
So, do you have any idea about what is the long straddle?
No. So I know it's hedging, but I'm not sure like how it works.
Okay, fine, I'll explain. Okay, so long straddle is basically we have to execute whenever there is a high volatility expected, right? So whenever the VIX is very high, right? Like
Okay.
3% for as I will give you an example. Right now, the VIX in India is 12 at 12. If the VIX goes beyond 18 or 20, then I will try to choose long straddle. Or if there is any event like RBI policy, or if you have an event kind of US Fed policy or those events, right? Because
Right.
those kind of events we can expect a high volatility, right? And we don't know
Exactly.
in which direction the market can go. It can go towards the upside also. It can go towards the downside also.
Yeah.
So in that scenario we can choose a long strategy.
Right.
So how it works? We have to buy a call option as well as a put option
Okay.
of the same strike price and the same expiry.
Okay.
So 1 second, let me bring my mouse. 1 second.
All right.
Okay, so you have to choose the same strike price and the same expiry, right?
Right. Okay. So that will be like which in the market, or like it can be anything?
So let's say my Nifty, let me explain you with an example of Nifty, right? Let's say Nifty is at 22,000, right? So
Okay.
in this case, we can buy both 22,000 call or 22,000 put, right?
Okay.
And the second option could be like we can even buy a nearby OTM also.
Okay.
So it depends on you which one you want to buy, but it has to be the same strike price for both call and put, and it has to be of both same expiry.
Okay. Okay.
So that if the instrument moves significantly up or down, your profit can rise on both the sides. You
Okay.
can.
Okay. So here it is better to choose near to the market price or further, because it's both buy and sell.
Yeah, so I think it is better to choose a nearby OTM, which is around 100, or in this case, if the Nifty is 22,000, the best is to choose like 22,200 call and put.
Okay, so the current price is 22,000, and we have to choose something very close, which is 22,000. The strike price 22,000. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So that will be the next one, or there is something in between also, like as in this example.
See, here in Nifty we have a difference of 50, right? So it will be 2250,
I
2200,
see.
and
I see.
2250, right?
I see.
So
Okay.
you can choose the nearby only, like even 50 or 100 also you can choose. So it depends on you
Okay.
which
Okay.
stock you are, working, or which index you are working.
Okay. So
So
the
nearby
exam, like,
OTM.
there's a thumb rule, like the next 3 strikes, 3 or 4 strikes.
Yeah. So one or two strikes you can choose. And like
Okay.
100, so that you can choose.
Okay. I see. Okay.
Okay, 1 second. If I get a chance in software, then I can show you how it works. 1 second.
Yeah. So nearby to OTM, right? Or
See, we have three types of OTM: nearby, mid, and far, and kind of very far. So very
Yes.
far in this case will be like 22,500,
right.
and
So we
nearby
have to
will be
take
like
something close to the
nearby will be like
close to
2200. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Okay.
Let me see if I can open Opstra. 1 second.
Okay.
Can share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So here, first of all, I have to choose the index, like or the stock, which one I want to create the strategy, right? So here I have
Okay.
chosen Nifty, okay, and then I have to choose here. Here it will show the future and options, right? So we are talking about options, so I have to choose the options,
Okay.
and you can see that the current price is 24,572 here. Right?
Right.
So as we see that we have to choose a nearby something like we can choose 24 650 maybe,
Okay.
24 650
Close to 24,572. Okay.
and the expiry, see here we have weekly expiry and monthly expiry, right? So
Right.
I am going to choose the one which is nearby, which is 7th of August. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have to now it is showing me here the lot size and the buy and sell options, lot size and the option price, right?
Okay.
So I will do, I will just add a position.
Okay.
Now what I have to choose, I have to choose the same expiry, same strike price, but I have to change the call to put, right?
Put. Okay. Yes.
And now for put also it is showing everything. The option price is 168, right? Now I
Okay.
will add the position. See here now it is showing that it has added to both the positions here, right?
Both the portions same expiry, but same price, same
Call
expiry.
price 129 and the put is 168, right?
Yeah.
So here it is showing the profit probability of profit is 48%, maximum profit is undefined, and maximum loss is minus 22,279. Right?
Okay. Right.
How?
Right.
Because the lot size is 75. 129 into 75.
Oh, it's 75, not 100 in India. Okay.
Yeah. So you can calculate like how much amount we have. See here it is showing an estimated margin also. How much we have to pay the total amount.
32,279. Okay.
So remember one thing, whenever we are doing the hedging, the system will take very less margin.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Because they know that you are already you have covered your risk. So that is why they will allow you to buy in less margin.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here you can see that estimated margin is 22,279 and the maximum loss they are saying is the one which we have paid, right? The maximum loss is like the maximum premium we have paid because we are buying here. We are not
Right. Right. Right.
selling
Right.
here. In case of selling, the maximum loss will be undefined.
Undefined. Okay.
Yes. Because it's a software, right? See, we have to choose our stop losses like manually, right? As I have told you, whenever we have to sell, the premium is 7, either we have to exit at 10 or 14.
Right. Right. Yes.
And if we don't exit, then our loss will be undefined.
Correct. Yeah. So 1.5 times that risk reward ratio. 1.5 times we have to say.
So that is for short. That is not for long. That is only for short.
Okay. Okay.
So here you can see that it is showing the break evens at 24,300 and 24,900. It is showing two break evens because we have taken two strike prices, one call and one put. So it is showing two break evens, one towards the downside and one towards the upside.
Correct. Yes.
So how it is showing the break even? The premium plus and the strike price plus premium, whatever we discussed yesterday.
Right. Right. Yes.
So based on that
Right.
formula, it is showing the break evens here.
Right. Right. Yes.
So that means if the Nifty reaches to 24,303, our loss will start. And if the Nifty reaches 24,897, then our loss will start, right? So we have to exit at both the positions,
Wonderful. Okay.
both the sides. So we are covered between 24,300 and 24,900. Approximately we are covering 600 points.
Right. Right. Right.
So fine, this is clear. So here also it is showing in terms of graph, right? It is showing graph also.
Okay.
Same thing, whatever we discussed is all graph.
Right. Right. Okay. So the maximum loss will be 22,270, which is showed in the graph. And
whatever premium you have paid, that will be the maximum loss in our buying option. But how you have to exit? How you can exit? You have to exit considering the break-evens.
Okay. So we have to do it ourselves, right? The system will not automatically exit. We have to do it. We have to come up.
What you can do is that in the system you can mark as a notification, right? Once the instrument or index reaches that price, then it will send you notification.
Okay. Okay.
Because here in India, if you open the demat account, we have some kind of notifications alert. So
Okay. Alerts. Okay. When the price reaches to that level, you get a notification.
Because the buying options you have to exit based on the instrument price only. You cannot exit based on the premium because the premium can change gradually up and down. Right?
Correct. Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And targets you can consider also based on your thing charts, right?
Yes, the other 21, T2. Yeah.
Yeah, T1, T2, and T3. So those things you can.
Right.
But see, just remember for those targets, like then also remember the time value also, right?
Yeah.
Time value. So this is clear.
Yeah, this is clear. So this one actually, when we want to exit, also we have to exit. Like we can we put a limit order or something to exit?
The premium will keep on changing. We cannot know that what will be the premium at that time once it reaches 2303 or 2900.
Right. Okay. So yeah, every
So that is why this chart is showing the break-even sales in terms of the price of the instrument only,
right. Okay.
not in terms of premium.
Right. Right. Okay.
Fine, this clear?
Yeah. This is okay. Yeah.
So next is the next is long straddle.
Okay.
Long straddle. No, long straddle we have already discussed. The next is short straddle, right? So it is
Okay.
not there. It is not there in the slide, but I will tell you. So short straddle is a kind of thing in which we have to sell a call option and we have to sell a put option
Okay.
of both the same strike price and same expiry.
Okay.
So the conditions are same. The only difference is in long straddle we were buying both call and put, but here we are selling both call and put.
Okay.
कहीं वो साइड में कवर ऊपर लगने वाला है
So that also we need to take
वो भी
note
मिलेगा
that
टेक्सचर वाला
OTM should be close to at the money or
Par we are selling
right
right.
this far.
Par.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So short straddle when to use whenever we expect low volatility. Long straddle we were using when there is a high volatility.
Okay. So the short straddle is for high volatility.
Short straddle is for low volatility. Long straddle
Low
was for
volatility. Okay.
high volatility.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So we have to see the wicks there, right?
Right. Okay.
So based on the wicks, we have to decide our strategy.
So, okay. Okay. Right.
Because in this short straddle we have to collect the premiums from both the options, both call and
Okay. Right.
So let's take an example. If the Nifty is at 22,000, and
Okay.
then we have to sell the far one, right?
Right.
We
So how
can
far
sell
we should click? Maybe 5 or 6 strike prices.
22,500 or 22,500, both the sides we can see.
Okay. So we should make sure that the price should not reach to that level on that expiration before that expiration date.
Yes. Then only we can make money.
Yeah. Right.
So in this scenario, it is 24,600. Then let's choose 25,100 put. Snap. These I will remove.
The previous ones. Okay.
Okay. So now you can see that it is showing maximum losses and different.
Okay.
So that is where you have to choose the premiums. So like in this,
So undefined is better, or we have to have some value like for
No.
selling it is
the software will show you like that because it will consider that the stock, the premium can go at a negative value, like at the highest value also, right? So that is why the software is considering undefined. So we have to exit based on our stop losses.
right. Okay.
So here the probability of profit is 53%, right?
Okay.
And
Right.
maximum profit you can earn is 42,480.
Okay.
So how it is showing the maximum profit? You have to add both the premiums plus into the lot size. Right?
Lot size correct. Yeah.
So that, in this case it will be 565. 565 into 75.
Right. Okay.
And at the bottom it is showing the break evens, right? So these are the break evens, 24,500 and 25,600. So once it reaches here, your loss will start at this place.
Yes. But okay.
Because you have to add the premium 25,100 plus 5,500, so it will become 25,600. And here also you have to do the same thing, right?
Right.
25,100 minus 550. So,
Minus 5 lakhs. Yeah.
so based on the break events, you have to work mostly.
Okay. Okay.
Fine, this is clear.
Yeah. Yeah. This is clear. Yeah.
So, but you have to see the wicks, and based on that, you have to decide whether you want to go for the long straddle or short straddle.
Okay.
So next is long strangle.
Triangle. Okay.
Okay. So, do you have any idea about long strangle?
No, actually.
Okay. So, long straddle, uh, basically we call it as a cousin of long straddle because the name
Okay.
looks like mostly same, right? Strangle and straddle. So
Right.
that is why we call it as a cousin of long straddle.
Okay.
So again, since it is a long straddle, we have to use it whenever we have high volatility, right?
High volatility. Yes. Same as long straddle.
Yeah. Right. So how it works? We have to buy a call option at a higher strike price and a put option at a lower strike price, both with the
Okay.
same expiry.
Okay.
So let's say my Nifty is at 22,000. Okay.
Right.
So in this case, what we can do is that either we can buy 22,100 and 21,900, like a difference of 100 points both the sides.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
100 points both the sides.
So can you show an example?
Ah, the screen.
Not yet. Next area.
So this is a long straddle, right?
Strangle. Yeah. Okay.
Straddle. So how we have to see? Let's say my estimate bank Nifty is at 48,000, right? So here I have taken 48,500 and 47,500. A difference of 500 points on both the sides.
Up and down. Up and down. Both sides. Okay. Okay.
You have to check the difference same on both the sides. Either you are doing 500 difference or 700 or 900, like that. You have to do on both the sides.
Or it should be the same for both. Okay. The difference should be the same. Right. Okay.
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 I'll show you in Oscar also.
भी नहीं है चलिए गाड़ी सारी बंद करके चले जा रहे
ये पार्किंग में है और आप देखेंगे दोबारा मैं आपको
So let's choose. Right now Nifty is 24,500. So let's choose 25,000. Call buy. And downside will be
What is the price?
24,000 put, right?
Yeah.
The 500 difference. We are taking 500 difference, right? Up and down.
Right.
Yeah.
500.
अरे यार मेरे को बैठने दो जाओ मैं
Make it buy.
दिखा दो 5 मिनट में
This also we are buying. So again, it is showing the maximum profit as undefined because we are in the long position, right? And the probability of profit is 20%. So here also there is a trick. The probability you have to see. The probability is very less, right? So we may not do this strike price.
Okay. So we have to just keep, like switching over between different prices to
Yeah.
see that the ratio is good.
Yes. So let's try to do the 300 points.
Which is a good ratio, about 60% or 65?
If it is giving above 40-45, then that's good.
Oh, okay.
So let's choose 24,800.
But 40 means like the probability of failing is also will be 60%, right? Will be more.
Failing, we have to see the stop loss. Here actually the system is considering the undefined profit and the
Oh, I
maximum
see.
loss, right? So
Oh, I
that is
see.
why the
Oh,
probability is giving like that.
okay, okay.
24,800. So that means 58. And here 300 points. All game is of maths I actually get
Yeah,
this calculation.
right, right. Oxford, does it have a connectivity to New York Stock Exchange?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, maybe we can try like put trust means also. Next after this, like let us try some US stocks.
Now,
चीज है,
क्या क्या देखना होगा?
इडली, दूध और राइस।
सिर्फ देखना है ना, बता के जाओ ना कौन सी चीज
हाँ,
कितनी
राइस
बनेगी।
बनने वाले होंगे,
राइस
बता
में
देना,
पता है, वो
दूध
देखना
उबल जाएगा और इडली भी 10 मिनट में बन जाएगी।
इडली 10 मिनट में कर दूं?
हाँ। ना लूँ ना पापा, क्योंकि मेरे 11:30 पे क्लास है, तो तक जाएगा।
हाँ दे देंगे।
One second. Yeah, let's
Okay. So we have chosen the strike prices like 300 points above and 300 points down, right? So now it is showing a probability of 35%, which is okay.
okay. Better than before, yeah.
And now break evens also you can see 24,100 and 24,900.
Right.
So and again it is showing the maximum profit like this and the maximum loss of whatever premium you have.
Right. Right.
Like same. So this is how you can calculate both strike and strike.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So you want to see some stocks, real stocks also.
Yeah. Let us see, like yesterday, the same example. Like, let us say Amazon, let's say Amazon, A and Z.
Here I know.
This kind of thinking, stocks are like index.
I would always do an index because they have a high liquidity.
Right?
High liquidity, we can easily exit and enter.
Okay.
The stocks you can choose like the one which is having more weightage in the index.
Okay. So here it is S&P 500, the Nasdaq, these are the high volatility, Vanguard.
Then try. I think it is best to try with the indexes.
Okay.
And then once you have some ads.
SPY.
So here it will not come. Here it is only for Indian stocks.
Oh, is it? Okay.
This I am showing you because so that you can understand how it works actually.
Yeah. But now this thing, some brokerages are connected to NYSU, right?
No, in India we don't have any much that I am using IND money which has a connectivity with US Stock Exchange, but they don't have the kind of feature and options. You can only invest in cash stocks. You cannot trade using feature and options there.
I see. Okay.
So you have to use your Demat account actually to see how it works.
Okay. I use a tool called Think or Swim. It's Charles Schwab.
And which one?
Think or Swim.
Think
The continuous think or swim.
or swim.
Yeah, continuous. Yeah.
Okay. Think or swim, this one, right? Charles Schwab.
Yeah, the correct. That's the one. Yes.
Okay. So this is a broker, right?
This is a broker. Yes.
So this guy may be having the details, and then if you have the access, you can log in and see whether it is there or not.
Yeah, maybe I can share my screen. Let us see.
Yes. You can share your screen. I'll just give you the access.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It is only the post can share in this meeting.
Yes, I have given you the access. Now you can share.
बंद कर दूँ
मेरा ध्यान
मैंने
रखो
10 मिनट
फिर देख लो
Then it is not coming in. Any issues, Gaurav?
Sorry?
Any issues? Still, I'm waiting for your confirmation.
No. I was waiting for your confirmation. I have given you the access.
Oh, I should know. Actually, it still says only the host can start the meeting. I'm keeping on trying. I thought you were doing something.
Oh, okay. I did because I have given you the access already.
It says when I click on share, it says only the host can start the meeting. I'm not sure.
See, it is showing me your ID as a host in the bracket. If you see the participants, if you see the participant list, it is showing host as you.
Can you get the other one? Like the one more host is there. I have to log into too. The other one can give you the access to the other one.
Vijay, okay, 1 second. Okay, now you try.
Yeah, no.
I think there was some miscommunication. I thought you were sharing something, and you thought I am sharing something.
Yeah, I was waiting for your confirmation.
Yeah. So now try. I've given the access to that.
Yeah. Okay.
Recently. So are you able to do it now? No.
It's actually share whiteboard. Let's see.
Okay.
There's an option for photo, image from file, document, web URL, camera.
Share. So you share the desktop. You can share the desktop.
It is not showing that giving that option, desktop option. It's showing only like other options: photo, image from file, document, web URL, screen, camera.
Screen. You can try screen.
I straight screen is going to an option up here on top, and then I give that for.
Then you can share that particular link now, whatever you want to share. First you can select the screen, and then you can select that.
I selected that. I selected that, and then nothing happens. No, it didn't. In mobile, it is not giving that option to me.
Mobile, I don't think it will work.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. Mobile it does not use that only for probably desktop or something like that. I think it's lost. Okay, can you turn the other one, Gaurav, like it's got Vijay, the that one?
Okay, once again. Yeah, okay, done. Let's check now.
I mean, the system talk is not like because they hang. So I have to allow the access to the system settle that right first. And allow that I can give access.
So you're getting any error?
No, the system permission I have to allow Zoom to, allow to share the screen. It's not now. Okay, so I have to all quit and then reopen. Like the system settings in this Mac, when I select the zone, it says you have to quit and then reopen. Okay, is it a way you can open like an account in Picasso, Gaurav?
Sorry.
Is it a way you can open an account in Picasso? It's a free tool.
So we don't have access actually to do that, but I'll try. Can you tell me the site?
I'll say in Picasso, there was one you opened before.
Okay, one second.
It would be better, like.
Okay, just a minute. Let me try.
Can you share your screen? There is a paper version where there is very 1 month free trial version and there is no need of giving any information.
Is it like there are two options: create a guest pass, log into guest pass?
In the last one, create a guest pass.
Guest pass.
So this is a trial version for 1 month, and if you want more, then you can use another email ID for her extensions. One more one. So each email ID is valid for 1 month.
Yes, hello. Sir.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, now it is okay.
Yes, that's good. Okay, so this application, there is a mobile version also, like Thinkorswim is the name of the